Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through a real world issue that I faced while integrating the Microsoft Clarity into the mobile application. So at first the project stopped running completely and I was getting the Kotlin, Gradle and the other SDK issues and everything was breaking. So in this video I will explain what caused the problem and why a single version mismatch create a full chain reaction and how updating a series of versions finally fixed everything. So if you are integrating the MS Clarity or updating your Flutter Android stack, this video will save your hours. So let's start the video. The main issue started because the Clarity Flutter SDK required the higher version, but in my project I was still using the older version which was not compatible. So the moment I added the MS Clarity package into my Flutter project, the build failed with the Kotlin related errors. So this was the main issue. So now let's look at the version that were creating the problem. So these are the versions that were already in my project and I am going to update all of them because MS Clarity simply cannot work with these versions. So I have already noted all the dependencies, plugins and the version into the notepad so it will save our time. So the way you can pause the video and you can check the versions as we go. So these versions cause the crashes. In a moment I will update all these versions. So with this tag the project finally compiled without errors. So this issue showed how one small mismatch version, Kotlin in this case, can create a complete chain reaction across your Flutter Android environment. If you are integrating the MS Clarity, Firebase or any other modern plugin, please check the Kotlin AGP and the Gradle versions and keep them aligned to prevent these issues. So there was one more fix in the pubsto YAML file. As you can see, there is no any fixed range in the pubsto YAML file for the SDK. Now I will add the range for the SDK and align it with my current latest Flutter SDK. So please also ensure the environment matches your installed Dart version. In my case, I have the latest Flutter version which supports the newer plugin without build errors and align with upgraded Android toolchain. So with this everything syncs perfectly. After all this update, the project builds successfully and the app runs without crashing and the Microsoft Clarity tracks session correctly. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and drop your questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.